If you're new to Codex and haven't used subagents yet, I'm going to show you a really simple example that's really visual that shows you how subagents work. So in this demo app, I've created a grid, 3x3 grid, where each item of the grid represents a different era of the internet. And what we're doing here in our prompt is we're instructing our main agent to spin up 9 subagents, basically one subagent for each era of the internet, and the agents will be instructed, the subagents will be instructed to do some research about that era and find some facts, find some images, and edit their respective box. So what's really cool here, what we're going to see shortly, is that these subagents can work in parallel and they can make edits to the same web page. They're able to do this because I set it up where each of these boxes is a separate component with its own JavaScript and CSS. So yeah, the subagents are getting kicked off. And while we're waiting for the subagents to get going, it looks like they're going already, I'm going to show you a quick feature called side chat. So side chat allows you to have a chat with your long-running primary agent while it's doing work. So this is really useful when your agent has been working for a while and you're just not sure where it's at, or you want to kind of figure out what's going on. Hasn't done much here, so we'll go back. Nice. It looks like subagent 1 has already done some stuff. And it looks a little bit busted right now because I imagine that they are probably incrementally changing CSS, but we should see it fix itself. One other thing I'm going to show you that we can do is we can steer the chat. So we can say, let's go to the first subagent. If it's still open, it might have closed already actually. I'm just going to say update box 1 to be an orange theme. And so I can queue this message to run after everything else has run. So it's queued right now to run when everything is finished. But if I want to, I can press steer. And actually, I'm not sure how this works. I imagine that the subagent should be able to continue working. But I steered the conversation away from its primary task to tell it to go update box 1. So we'll see if I actually disrupted the flow with the subagents. No, it looks like they're still working. But we should, based on my steering message here, we should see this change somehow. And it's getting close to done. I mean, this one, it looks like it found some broken image, but I think the point has been made. Cool, and it updated that. So that's the power of steering. It's really nice while your agent is working and you see it, maybe it's doing something wrong, or you want to kind of change the behavior midway. It's really useful to just send it a message and steer the direction. So we can see here that I think all the subagents completed their work, but we didn't instruct them to check their work. So the main agent here sees the issue with box 9 and it looks like it's gonna correct it. But yeah, I'm not gonna wait on it. I think it's pretty clear how this works, and I hope this is useful.